room light and fan switch off after people leave the room. Suppose 5 people enter in the room. As soon as first person enter in the room, light starts. See this. Second person enter, third person enter, fourth person enter, fifth person enter. Now people started leaving the room one by one. These two are sensor on door sensor. One for sensing people entering in the room, another for sensing people leaving from the room. Now people start leaving the room. First person left, second person left, third person left, fourth person left, fifth person left. Light close, fan close. See this. First person, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth. Now people start leaving the room. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now this is the program for the saving the light and fan in the hall, in the room. When people enter in the room, they start the light, but when they leave the room, they forget to switch off the light. This is the automatic program made from the PLC, and two switches, two sensor on the door. See this two. This is for entering. One person enter, second person enter, third person enter. Now people start leaving. First person left, second person left, third person left. Light close. Now no problem. See this.